guys, welcome back to Carrie's Collections. This is, I want to say December's box for 2020. Yeah, it's December's box for 2020. So, this is another one that has already been opened. This is Doki Doki Holidays. Gonna go ahead and pull that out. And there are no hints. Just that it is Doki Doki Holidays, which is cute holidays. Okay, let's check this out. Oh, this has got stuff that I don't know about. Where's my pamphlet? There's my pamphlet. It's in the very back. I need that. So this is something Pokemon. 8-bit, 16-bit, what you want to call it. Y'all give me just a single second to try to get all this up. It looks like this might be a coaster. Yeah, it looks like it's a coaster. It's an Eevee Coaster! Look how cute that is. Here, give me just a minute to get into this. This being a big pain in the butt. Come on. So this can also apparently be a hanging thing, but it is a coaster. I'm probably going to have to fight my roommate for it because she loves Eevee stuff. But I do too, and this is mine. So, she's going to have to fight for her right to Eevee. See, Nintendo and Game Freaks. Cool. It's kind of like a very mosaic 8-bit type deal, and I'm loving it. It's awesome. I like it. A++. Now, for those of you who are wondering, there are 6 other options you could have gotten, which the starters and Mew, because Mew is always an option apparently. I don't quite understand the obsession, but it's Mew. And this is a Daruma. I think these are mostly made of paper mache. He looks very angry. I'm very angry. Now this is one of the figures that shows up a lot in anime and other Japanese paraphernalia. It's pretty much just a traditional figure. And they're apparently associated with the New Year, which I didn't know that, and are found in temples and shrines. According to the pamphlet, you can paint the left eye black, then make a wish for 2021. Then paint the other one once your wish has been granted. Huh. This might be something I do for this coming up New Year. This is probably what I should have done for last New Year's. But this is something I'll do. And if I do get to paint the other eye, I'll let you guys know. I didn't know that you actually painted the eye. That does explain why there's that spooky, completely clear white thing going on there. So that's cool. Let's see what else we got in here. We got the Promised Neverland. Hi, Emma. I'm sure all of you recognize her. Look at her. She is so cute. Alright, is this like a Christmas gift? So we get 2 big items, a big plush and a big figure? Is that what's going on? Do I need to tell everybody, hey, you need to go get the December edition for everything? So she has her little swirly up top. And then her hair will eventually bounce back from being stuck in a shipping container forever. And she's got her very messy uniform, which, I mean, fits, because she was kind of the wild child in comparison to Norman and, what's his name? Norman and, what is his name? It'll come back to me like 2 hours from now, because this is one series that I have watched, I have kept up with. We were very disappointed in season 2. Season 2. But that's okay. I can appreciate that they tried something new. It just did not fly right with the manga crowd, which is really not that surprising. It's really not that surprising at all. Okay, let's check out what else is in here. Let's see. Looks like there are a few things back here. Oh, that looks like it had a bad time. This is the Nintendo Switch. Apparently this is a mystery egg. It's a chocolate egg. And it has cracked, probably from all the moving. There's a little capsule inside. Looks like it's white chocolate and milk chocolate. Let's see what... Series 1 by Furuta. Oh, this is kind of like a Kinder Egg. It looks like it's the boy, maybe? It's gonna take me a minute. I gotta put her together. It's the girl. My bad. Whoopsie. Oh my lord, it's so tiny. I'm gonna have to take your head off and put your body together first. Ping pong. Okay, give me just a minute. I know I'm taking forever to get this together. There we go. Cute little figure. Let's see. Let's see who all you can get. Oh wow, there's a whole host. There are also 2 mystery characters. Which I think I must have gotten the mystery character. Because our little fella here, or madam, is not listed on here. So I either got 1 or 2. I'm not sure which. That's cool though. Oh, this is S1. It tells you right here. This is S1. And I believe it's a girl, mainly because of the eyelashes. And I guess I'll give the chocolate a go. Tempered chocolate lasts pretty much for flipping ever. So we're gonna live dangerously. That's what way better than Kinder Egg chocolate. Let me just tell you that. That's one of those things that I don't eat. The Kinder Egg chocolate is awful. For those of you who love Kinder Eggs, I'm not apologizing. It's not my cup of tea. So this will never happen again. I never get the Chase figure, but apparently I got one of them. One out of 18. I don't want to know what the odds are for that are. I'm never going to get another Chase figure in my life. Oh, they're Tabby sacks. Tabby. I don't know how you say it. And it's obviously DBZ. For those of you who don't recognize the big symbol on the front. Okay, give me just a second. And it looks like they're ankle socks. So they're not very big at all. I think anyone with big man feet would have a problem getting into these unless these have some serious stretch going on. I mean, I can get into them because I have little feet. But yeah, anybody who has big man feet, they're going to have a problem. But I have little girl feet, so. No problems to be seen here. Wahaha. So let's check out what we've got left. I think there's 2 items left. We've got some kind of snack. It says it's Tahato. It looks like it is like a little chocolate biscuit. So yeah, they're just little biscuits. Okay, these are really good. They've got a little bit of chocolate and a little bit of cinnamon mixed together. So I would eat those again if Nihon decides to send us some more biscuits. That's actually really good. And now we're back to our show. Hey, Yu-Gi-Oh! I think this would technically be called Biyami Yugi, since he doesn't have the big doki doki eyes that Yugi does. And this is the one where he's like, he can sit on the edge of your desk or sit on the edge of a shelf. I hate these guys so much. I hate when they do that. I hate it. I hate everything about it. Gives me plastic. Don't ruin my figure. Okay, y'all. Give me just a minute to break into this, because it is all nice and tidily taped up. Oh, he looks very, bad boy-esque. Look at that bad boy. Look at him. Guys, so I didn't realize it when I was going through it, but there is the tiniest Yu-Gi-Oh card. I'm gonna lose this figure. I'm gonna lose this card in like an hour. Okay, so I'm gonna try to bring this up again. But the tiniest Yu-Gi-Oh card, you can barely see the details on it. And we're gonna see if I can get him to hold it. Unfortunately, the other side is completely white. If they had actually had a card printed on this side, I would have been so impressed. So depending on how you have him, most people would have the card. If he's this way, the card would be facing you. And if you're looking on him straight forward, you would be checking him out like so. So I'm going to bring him right up here. As you can see, he's got the very punk-esque hair. They gave a lot of attention to his facial mold. They gave a lot of attention to the pose that he is in, and he's holding the Millennium Cube or Millennium Puzzle. He's got a belt that falls around to hold his, it's a deck belt, so his deck is actually right there. You see that they paid attention to the little belting on his school uniform, and they've also paid attention to the studding on his boots. Like, there's a lot of little bitty details that I would not expect for a figure of this size. So this was not a sloppy job. Someone studied the series and studied the character and did their absolute best to give you a lovely figure. So I am personally extremely pleased. That is a job well done. To backtrack, I will show you all the items that we got in this box. We got a little plush of Emma. We got Yamayuki. We got a Daruma. A pair of Tabi sacks, specifically from Dragon Ball Z. My brain went blank there for a minute, y'all. We got a coaster, Pokemon coaster, which is Eevee. And then we got a secret figure from, I don't necessarily know if this would count as a gachapon, or a Kinder Egg, but either one I feel would fit. And then we also got some biscuit chocolate snacks. All in all, I'm really pleased with this box. I feel like this is probably one of the more diverse boxes I've seen, because we've got gaming figures, and then we've got some old school anime, and then we've got some new. It's just kind of all over the place, and I love it. I love the diversity that's in this one, and I can see myself using all the items here. This is actually about to go out into my living room, and these guys are all about to go up on my shelves. I may also put these on because it is really heckin' cold right now. It is like 50 or 40 degrees outside. So thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you next time.